Good paddling there, Jonathan. Well done. I don't actually. Really? It's not dress, it's pajamas. Woohoo! This is Big Missy. We've seen Big Missy before. Semi-successful attempt at putting Native Valentine in water. We're still struggling with motor difficulties. That's my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
So, like, this is the dock that still doesn't have a boat at it. Because the boat's out there. It's not here yet. The motor didn't work. Well, we've made it this far. We got the motor running, and we are, we're really close to the channel. I think that's the marker right there. It might be. But we're also sailing. Yay! Return of the Native Valentine. We are getting ready to come down the channel. It's a beautiful day. And this is what it looks like. This is history. Say hello. Oh look, somebody's camping. This is coming home down my channel for the first time. Yay! This is me being happy. See, there's the closest sailboat to me right there. Yeah, they have two.
When I see we made it through another day.
We're almost there. Just get around the bend and we'll be able to see my house. Which hopefully looks better than the last time I came from this side.
You have a boat ready.
The rope ready? Well, one of them's in use down here. There's one.
Okay.
Dad?
What you gonna put it? Which way? So they keep it.
No, it needs to be untied. Oh, there's stuff on the camera lens. Okay, this is what a Native Valentine looks like at the dock. Note the dock. Note the boat. Note the mast in the tree. Hey, challenges never end, but our trusty crew is more than capable of handling all of our current challenges, and we're going to do that. Say hello, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi. Say hi.
We come on the sloop John B, my grandfather and me. Around Nassau town we do roam.
What do you think of our beautiful day sailing here? goldfish. Go down.
Well, I feel so broken.
Here's our helmsman Gary and Captain Jonathan. Say hello. It's video.
The John B. said,
Yes.
see how the men said,
Hello, Ross.
all for the captain.
We got sun. What do you have to say about that?
Let me go home.
Okay.
I wanna go
Yeah,
home.
see, this is what it was looking like. There's the
Well, I feel so
what
broken.
we got. There's the
I
Emerald
wanna
Lighthouse.
go home. The first mate, he got drunk, broke in the captain's trunk.
Yeah, that's a really good question. I'm hoping that when we're done with that storm, I'm a little bit over it myself.
There is John Stone. Why don't you leave me alone?
Sing a song. No sea
Well, I feel so low.
That's not.
I wanna go home. So what's up to John B?